Excellency, finally we're back on track. Pole sana kwa sarakasi ya protocol. Your Excellency, pole sana. And I want to apologize, and especially so to my members of parliament, for what's happened. I think we're trying to stick to the printed program and trying to respect that we're just hosts and that this belongs to the PPG. But I really felt it when my sister spoke here. I'm really sorry. Your Excellency, no other president will have allowed us to trample on protocol like that, but you are a listening president, na kwa sababu ni pastoralist na unajua tunapenda kusikizwa, tumekushukuru. And those who have not had an opportunity to speak, I really apologize to you. We recognize you, our senator, and your soldiers, your first believers, Your Excellency, Hussein Abdibarre and Ibrahim Abdisaneh. We really are sorry to them, but we really have to move on now. Your Excellency, maybe the only thing that was missing from there is the issue of the vaccination. The vaccination issue also, like a lot of good things that the government plans, because of the level of our democracy, there is a tendency to scandalize everything the government brings. As pastoralists in this part of the country, the biggest impediment to our export of livestock and meat is the lack of a consistent vaccination policy that reaches every corner of the country. We welcome the mass vaccination exercise. Please launch it here, begin it here. This is where the livestock is. Those who are scandalizing it have no livestock. The livestock is here. With those many things, and after apologizing on the protocol mishap as well, it is now my pleasure to invite the Honorable Cabinet Secretary for Arid Lands, East Africa and ASALs to make her remarks and welcome His Excellency the President to address us.